Now for this question, we are solving a quadratic inequality. We have x squared minus 7x plus 12 is less than or equal to 0. Now to solve a quadratic inequality, we're going to start by finding the roots of the quadratic. Now we're going to treat this as a normal quadratic equation, and to find the roots, we are going to factorise in this case. Now my brackets are both going to start with x, since they need to multiply to make x squared, and I'm looking for two numbers that when I multiply them together, they make 12, and when I add them together, they make -7. Now because they need to multiply to make a positive number, but they need to add to make a negative number, both numbers are going to need to be negative. And for this one, it's going to be -3 and -4. Now this gives me my two critical values, my two x-intercepts, and my x-intercepts are x equals 3 and x equals 4. Now I find for these questions drawing a sketch really does help, so I'm going to draw a very quick sketch of my quadratic graph. And this quadratic, as we said, crosses at 3 and 4 on the x-axis, and I'm looking for this quadratic for where it is less than or equal to 0. Now we know that it's equal to 0 at these points here, x equals 3 and x equals 4, and I can see from the graph that it is less than 0 or beneath the x-axis between these two values of 3 and 4. And so my final answer is that x has to be greater than or equal to 3, but x has to be less than or equal to 4.